OBJ FunKids.
Hello, little heroes. I am the great Christmas tree, and I need your help.
You talk? This is so cool!
Yes, and I'm happy to see you both. Find the heart of kindness, the bell of joy, and the star of shine.
My candy cane sled is broken. We found the heart of kindness! Let's make everyone smile. Ring! Let's make a big wish together. Yeah! You have restored the magic of Christmas! We saved Christmas again! And we made new friends!
Twinkle, twinkle, hear the tree calling you and calling me.
Calling you and calling me.
Deep in the forest where snowflakes fall, a magical Christmas tree stands tall.
Magical Christmas tree stands tall.
OBJ and Zeal come close to see
The glowing smile of the magic tree.
Shine, shine, Christmas tree bright, fill the world with sparkling light. Kindness, joy, and wishes true, make Christmas magic shine anew. First a heart glowing red, kindness everywhere they spread.
Gladness everywhere they spread.
Then the bell rings, joy so sweet, dancing, laughing, tapping feet.
Dancing, laughing, tapping feet.
Shine, shine, Christmas tree bright, fill the world with sparkling light. OBJ and Zeal, brave and true, bring Christmas magic back to you. Up the hill where wishes fly, a star comes glowing from the sky.
Hold it gently, place it high, let Christmas light reach every eye.
Shine, shine, Christmas tree bright, fill the world with love tonight. Magic grows like snowflakes new, Merry Christmas from me to you.
Thanks for watching.